today's video, I'm gonna show you what's inside my tackle bags or my phlebotomy kit. So these are the basic equipments that you are gonna use when you're puncturing the vein. So the first thing that I have here is my alcohol. It's isopropyl alcohol with 70% solution. So you are using this kapag nagde-disinfect na kayo ng mga areas or yung ipapuncture mo na vein, nagde-disinfect mo siya. And you are gonna use this kapag i-disinfect mo na yung kamay mo when you are about to start or before you put on your gloves. So kapartner nito syempre is yung cotton balls. So nilagay ko lang siya dito para hindi siya malagyan ng dumi and para safe din siya. So here are my cotton balls. So you are using this, tapos lalagyan mo lang siya ng alcohol para i-sanitize yung area na ipapuncture mo. And also you are using this kapag tapos mo ng pagtapos mo ng ma-puncture yung vein, it comes with this micropore tape. So it holds a pressure para hindi magtuloy-tuloy lumabas yung dugo dun sa vein na kinuhanan mo. So next is this tourniquet. Ayan, or tourniquet. Either way, it's correct naman. So the use of this is to inflate the veins for a short period of time. So wag mo siyang tatagalan kasi syempre hindi yan pwede. So 1 to 2 minutes lang yung maximum nito. Para din makapamo ng maayos yung vein or alam mo kung saan yung side na itutusok mo. And then next is this, my syringe. So ito yung mga ginagamit for single draw. So it comes with different sizes. So the 3 ml or the 3 cc. Meron din tayong 5 ml, no 5 cc. Yung 1 cc or 1 ml and yung 10 ml or 10 cc. So it depends naman kung how much blood you are going to extract or you need. So depende yun sa requirements sa lab kung ilan yung tubes na i-fill mo ng blood. So next, we have here our adapter. So ito yung ginagamit for ETS or the evacuated tube system na pagkuha ng dugo. So it comes with this multi-sample needle. So wait, let me demonstrate it to you. So first, itatanggalin mo lang yung dito niya. Here. Tapos i-insert mo siya dito. Tapos make sure na hindi ito matatanggal mamaya. So ayan, tapos pag maglalagay ka na ng tube, so ipapuncture mo to dun sa skin, then you're gonna insert this like that. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na. So it lets you draw multiple test samples. So be careful not to prick your fingertips. And then next is this, my vacuum container tube or evacuated tubes. Ayan, it comes with different colors. So depende siya kung ano yung laman niya sa loob. So meron tayong mga coagulant or yung mga iba, yung mga wala. Depende siya. Meron din siya sa mga may solution din na para hindi mag-clot yung dugo. So next is my gloves. So here are my gloves. So first thing first, dapat yung mga gloves mo is mas okay kung fit siya para hindi siya maipit sa tourniquet pag nagagamit na kayo ng tourniquet. And latex or sterile yung mga gloves na gagamitin nyo. Here, nilagay ko siya dito para hindi siya madumihan. Ayan. And then next is this pen. So ito yung ginagamit mo to label the evacuated tubes para alam mo kung kanino siya, and don't forget the name, birthday. Ayan. Tapos dapat yung non-smear ink din para hindi siya mabura kapag nasulat mo na siya para so ayan, nag-cut siya doon. So yung sa marker dapat hindi siya nagsismudge para maiwasan natin yung mga accident sa lab na mag-mix yung mga test results, kasi kapag nabura yon, it's either magkamali ka ng bigay ng or ng result, iba yung ma-diagnose sa kanya, ganun. It can lead to patient's death. So, iniiwasan po natin yan as a medtech student or aspiring medtech. So, that's all. Ayun lang yung laman ng ko so far. Kasi, it's quarantine. So, hindi pa talaga ako nakapag-stock ng madami. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me. Sana may natutunan kayo. That's all. Thank you. So, hi guys. Next, I'm gonna show you how to locate the veins or the proper site when puncturing the vein. So, we have 3 choices. So, the cephalic vein, the median cubital vein, and the basilic vein. So, papakita ko siya sa inyo. So, here, wait. So, here, as you can see, ayan. So, this one is my cephalic vein, dito. And here is my median cubital vein, and this is my basilic vein. So, always remember that basilic vein or the B stands for the body and it is close to the body. And yung pinaka lagi nating ginagamit, yung first choice natin is the median cubital vein because mas madali siyang ma-extract and hindi siya painful. And second choice natin is yung cephalic vein kasi yung cephalic may tendency kasi na nagro-roll siya, so hindi natin siya first choice. And then yung next is yung basilic vein. Yung last choice natin is basilic vein because it is more painful, it's more dangerous. So yung first choice talaga natin is dito sa may median cubital vein. So here. Next is the anchoring of vein. So, paano mo siya mahanap? So, kung labog yung vein ng pasyente mo, syempre with the use of tourniquet, i-wrap mo siya dito para ma-inflate yung mga veins, para makita mo siya ng maayos. And yung dito sa median, eto, yung dito, ganito mo siyang kakapain, pa-side, hindi pa ganun, it's pa ganito. I-shake mo lang siya ng konti. Kakapayin mo siya ng ganyan. Or, itong dalawang to. But never use your thumb. Mas easy siya pag yung index finger. Commonly, yung index finger nila yung ginagamit and ginaganyan lang nila. So, hindi mo siya gaganunin. Or up and down. It's side by side like this. So, kakapayin mo lang siya ng ganyan. Syempre, with the use of tourniquet. Para mas madali. So, ako hindi ko kasi siya kasi ako lang mag-isa. So, ayan. Ganito mo siyang kakapain. And, ayan. So, yung first choice natin is always median cubital vein. And, syempre, kapag lubog talaga siya, mahihirapan ka. So, that's the challenge for you, I think. And, next natin is yung cephalic, tapos yung basilic na. Kasi yung basilic hindi talaga yung last choice natin because it's delicate and it's more painful. So, sa median talaga tayo mag-stick. So, ayun, guys. Thank you again for watching. Bye!